Thousands of people belonging to different communities paid tribute to fallen heroes of Anglo-Manipuri War of 1891 as Manipur observed Khongjom Day today. Speaking in the function, which was held at Khongjom War Memorial Complex, Khebahil, Governor Bhalla praised the fallen heroes of Khongjom War for showing exemplary courage in the battle to regain self-determination. Governor Bhalla, Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency, MP Dr. Angomja Bimol Akoijam, CLP Leader Okram Ibobi, Ex-Minister T.H. Bishorjit, Suknu MLA K. Ranjit, Wabagai MLA Usham Deben, Kundrakpam MLA T.H. Lokeshwar, Manipur Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar Singh, DGP Rajiv Singh, along with top officials from both civil and police, paid floral tribute to the statue of Khongjom War heroes, Pauna Brajabasi, on the occasion. Personnel of 1st Manipur Rifles gave gun salute in honor of martyrs of Khongjom War. This was followed by offerings of flowers and fruits at historic Khongjom River. Speaking in the main function that was held at foothill of Khebajing, Governor Bhalla termed Khongjom War as an extraordinary war that was fought against mighty British by brave forefathers of Manipur despite knowing disadvantages they were in, with just love for the motherland. As part of the observance, renowned Khongjom Parva artist Kumanthem Sundari Devi presented her performance, while artists of Roop Mahal Theatre also showcased a drama titled Khongjom Lan.
The sacrifices made at Khongjom were not for any single group or community. They were for the future of all Manipuris. We must work together, embracing our differences, while celebrating our shared heritage to build a state that is inclusive and united in purpose. While building a united and progressive Manipur, the youth and the generations to come must not forget the collective efforts of hills and valley people in defending the territorial integrity of Manipur in the Anglo-Manipur War.